Hello my people, welcome to another video. So today I'm gonna do an unboxing video. Long story short, basically me and AJ are doing a trade. I'm giving him that candy ball and he gave me, you know what, oh, the old glorious jazz Santa. Yes, so let's start opening it. This is This is actually the Santa I always wanted, like the same, that different soundtrack, which is Santa Claus Coming to Town. I have both versions. I have the Surrender version. That's I got that in 2011. Now 2020, that Jazzy Santa, another one, sings Santa Claus Coming to Town. Can't wait to open this, test it out. Okay. Wow. Oh wow. Just have to move this a little bit. Don't want to see that. Don't want to show you guys the address because it's personal. Oh, whoa, wow, wow. Hold on. Oh, wow. Look at this. Oh, it has a message. Dear Daniel, thanks so much for the trade. Hope you enjoy this Santa in your collection as much I did. Uh, I I am looking forward to uh, reviewing the candy ball, uh, probably using it on Halloween. Haha, signed by Classic AG. Oh, that's so kind. I'm gonna actually put this in the wall for sentimental value. This is all so awesome. Oh man, I cannot wait to open this actually. I'm gonna use some muscles to take out the bubble wrap. Wow. Man. He actually packed it really good so it doesn't move, you know. First I thought like when that package is in the door, like on front of my door, I said like, oh my gosh, AJ sent me a life size Sansa? Like what? Oh no, it's just only this. Yeah. That's just so funny. Take out the saxophone. No, just joking. Take out the zip ties. And here we go. Look at that face though. Actually gonna uh, put the saxophone. It doesn't make any sense if he doesn't hold a saxophone when it plays a saxophone music. There we go. Adjust the lighting. Man. Okay. Oh yeah, forgot to actually put the batteries on because I have batteries, mixed batteries though, because I don't have any more new good ones at this moment. Have to buy more fresh batteries. Oh yes, AJ, I was he used to think like I had to sort out this postal thing because I went to Canada Post. You know that you usually the shipping service I usually ship to. You know things like this, and it's very expensive now. The prices went up, so I'm just gonna probably check Monday as this company, this other company, USB, if it's actually much cheaper that way. So I'm gonna whenever I have my package with you, AJ, of that candy ball, I'm gonna send it to you soon. Don't you worry, because I'm um, having issues with other companies right now. You know, for one candy ball, the shipping cost is 40, like around $40. So oh boy, it's not worth it. I believe so when ship it to other shipping companies like USB. I think I'm gonna be actually paying less, way less, because it's so light and it's a small package, you know. So anyways, anyhow, stop talking. I'm just gonna put the last bit of the battery. There we go. Yay! Adjust the camera a little bit. Ooh. Wow. This is gonna be a great additional for my Santa collection, and I'm really happy about this. So thank you very much, AJ, to allowing me to do a trade with you, man. I really appreciate it. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and this is Daniel successfully signing out. Bye. Thank you.